Hello, my name is Vanessa, and my speech today is to talk about the cons of medical marijuana and why it should stay illegal. With every year that goes by, new research is conducted and that shows a greater risks that are connected with the use of marijuana. Marijuana is defined as the dried leaves and the female flowers of a hemp plant. With 49% of Americans opposing of this, marijuana works with using a mind-altering substance called THC. When this enters one's body, it stimulates cannabinoid receptors to the brain. My three things I'm going to talk about today is the harmful chemicals that affect the human body, the effects of our brain chromosomes immune system, and the lasting effects to the everyday tasks that we do. Marijuana contains over 400 dangerous chemicals. 60 of these are cannabinoids. The cannabinoids are only known to exist in cannabis plants. We've all seen the tobacco commercials on TV that are actually funded by tobacco companies that talk about tobacco cigarettes being really harmful to our bodies. But in comparison to the marijuana cigarette, a marijuana cigarette contains 4 times the amount of tar than the average tobacco cigarette. The marijuana smoke itself also contains 50 to 70% more carcinogenic hydrogens compared to the tobacco smoke. Marijuana also affects our brain chromosomes and immune system. In 1987 and 1988, a research was taking place using the THC in rats. It showed the long-term effects on the brain and the damaged neurons that are located in the hippocampus, and several short-term effects on one's body such as memory loss, difficulty thinking, and the loss of coordination. Researchers also discovered that in everyday marijuana users, their brain stems were abnormal, and they also were the underlying issue of cardiovascular changes. Marijuana impairs the way you usually do your everyday tasks. It allows your eyes to have a red tint, and it makes your body more lethargic. It conflicts with your alertness, and these side effects, according to the research done, usually last for 24 hours. When driving under the influence, your alertness being off, you're more likely to run stop signs, red lights, and you're more likely to get into accidents. Like when you get pulled over in the blood alcohol alertness, they're starting a new thing where you have a breathalyzer and it shows how high you are. To conclude, with every year that goes by, new research is conducted and reveals a greater risk that's connected with the use of marijuana, such as the 400 dangerous chemicals to the human body, the effects of the brain chromosomes and the immune system, and its lasting effects to the everyday tasks we do. Next time you go somewhere and you're bombarded with someone trying to make you sign a marijuana petition for it to become illegal, think of all these factors that come along with it. Thank you.